As part of our ongoing series on equity and opportunity, we're taking a look at LGBTQ plus representation on corporate boards. The proportion remains paltry, especially when compared with that of the broader population. Only 26 out of 5,670 Fortune 500 board seats are held by out LGBTQ plus individuals. That's according to a recent report by Out Leadership. That's a rate of 0.5%, less than 0.5%, which would be even lower when accounting for the fact that the same individuals serve as directors on multiple boards. A big hurdle, advocates say, is that amid a push to refresh boards, very few define board diversity as inclusive of LGBTQ plus individuals. Only 4% do. Those that recently changed their definition of diversity to include LGBTQ plus include Caesars Entertainment, Cisco, Starbucks, and Ulta Beauty. Todd Sears, founder and CEO of Out Leadership, which advocates for more corporate representation, said including LGBTQ plus in diversity metrics is good business sense.
You want to de-risk, you want to have innovation. The diversity on boards is not a tokenism exercise. It really does create better outcomes from a governance perspective. And I think we're only going to see that increase.
A bit of empirical research to back that up. One recent study published in the Journal of Risk and Financial Management found that having visible LGBTQ plus people in the upper echelons of a company is likely to contribute positively to firms' performance. So I think this is something we're going to be seeing a lot more of, especially as we continue the discussion about diversity and what it means for performance and returns and so forth.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a unique point that ESG is sort of the E at the expense of social goals and governance, and it does parallel a lot of the research that says those high scores in things like, just casting a wider net, being more diverse at the upper end of a company seem to link up with better performance.
And that's the key part of it. And it is this cycle and this circle where you talk to recruiters and you talk to companies, and everybody kind of has to be on board with what it means to have a diverse board. Is it the way that it just looks if you line up the pictures, or if you dig kind of a little bit deeper, can you achieve that diversity as well?
Yeah, people are not cartoons.
They are not.
They're not avatars. They're human beings.